If you want to stop recurring charges on Kraken, follow these simple steps to manage your subscriptions effectively. This guide will help you navigate the process easily. Step 1. Log into your Kraken account. Visit the Kraken website and log in using your credentials. Ensure that you have access to the account where the recurring charges are set up. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings option, usually found in the upper right corner of the dashboard. Click on it to access your account management features. Step 3. Access payment methods. In the Account Settings menu, find the section labeled Payment Methods or Billing. This section will display all your linked payment methods and any active subscriptions. Step 4. Review active subscriptions. Look for a subsection that lists your active subscriptions or recurring charges. Here, you can see all the services or features you are currently subscribed to. Step 5. Cancel the recurring charge. Identify the specific subscription you wish to cancel and select the option to cancel or stop the recurring charge. Follow any prompts to confirm your cancellation and ensure that it is processed. By following these steps, you can successfully stop any unwanted recurring charges on your Kraken account. Always check your account periodically to manage your subscriptions effectively.